Alright, let's see what else we got. Pretty sure that came from eBay. It's got eBay written all over it. Ooh, fancy letterhead there. This is fancy eBay crap. Ooh. I don't want to advertise. eBay plastic wrapping bag. I've never seen that before. That's a brand new thing. This must be the stuff the girls get when they get their panties on eBay. Ooh, you got blue ones too. That is a brand new, genuine Harley Davidson cam cover bushing. One thing I got. That was it for the whole box. Alright, so unlike that Sportster part I just did, this one here is a 70s bag. See, some people care about this crap like me, other people don't care about crap like this. But basically, this is your early 70s bag. This is your mid to late 70s bag. See the difference? And you can tell they were doing it through 81 because it has a date on it of when they made it. Because Harley sold in 82. So that means they were using this all the way through 81 and probably through 82. And then you start getting your later 82 and 83 bags, they probably changed to the modern Harley bag. So there you go. That's how you identify what year parts were made. Because they make parts for a lot of years as replacement, but this stuff here would actually have been put on a motorcycle. Okay, this is your outer cam cover bushing for a cone motor. That'd be like one of these things over here. Cone motor. That's single cam. Not M8 though. Single cam. Big twin. So this is for the 70 and later. And that's why it has a -70 part number there. Tells you it's 70 and later also. So this also works all the way on your Evo motor. So all the way up through 80 or 99 is the same bushing. So 70 through 99. Shovelhead and Evo big twin. There you go. Fancy stuff. Now the reason I buy these is because they're better quality than the aftermarket stuff. And they're cheaper than Gems, because Gems is outrageous. Eastern stuff, the holes are too damn big, so you put a brand new part in there, it's already worn out. Not good. These you actually have to fit. So this should leave you about 1,000 to 2,000 to work with. Sometimes they don't give you quite that much, but that'd be nice. But Harley usually gives you a little bit of something to work with. And Gems usually does also. Eastern, crap. Don't give you squat. Alright, there you go. One brand new Harley part from 1981. And this is 2024. So 2 and 2 is 4, and 4 more is 4. 24-year-old. So this is legal age. You can drink now. Alright, there you go.